Hello friends, welcome to my channel. What is website? How to create website? For that purpose, we will use HTML, which is a main thing for creating website. So today we will start HTML course. What is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language, and this course I decide to divide course in two level. Level 1, which is first lecture is HTML introduction, second one is formatting text, third one is attributes, fourth one is links and quotation. And in level 2, fifth lecture will be list, next will be table, HTML element and text, 8 will be attributes and media, 9 in forms, and the last and but not the least is the HTML. We will work on a project. So now start the first lecture, which is HTML introduction. In this lecture I will teach you what is HTML, syntax of the HTML extension, and structure of the HTML. So what is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language. Definition of the HTML: it's create website web pages like text and text form, images and videos. Structure of the website, it's also called structure of the website. Okay, in which editor we will work and code? From beginner we will work in the Notepad, then after some time we will use Notepad++, and when you have teach something better, then we will use VS Code. You will use any browser. So browser are Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari and Opera, but we will recommend you to work in the Chrome. Okay, what is the syntax and extension? Here we will use the HTML structure is used tag and element. Tags, what is tag? Tag, you will see two sign. One is the left side is less than sign and the other is the greater sign, and between this we will and these two are called tag. Okay, so there are two type of tag: tag starting tag, okay, less than and greater than, and you will use tag name, and there is lot of tags I will tell you in the next. And this one is the ending tag, and they will just, these tags are the same but just differentiate with this hash sign. Okay, now between them we have put some content. So this is p tag, paragraph tag, this is starting tag, and this one is the ending tag, and we will put some data content. My first page is just like a paragraph, so the whole thing is called elements. So element have a different type of tags, and we will discuss in the next lecture. Here is, this is a simple file of the HTML. So we will use any type of name. For example, this is index, but after index for extension we will use .html. this is important thing. Okay, without this HTML file is not working. Okay, basic structure of the HTML is, first one is the root tag, which is called HTML tag start, HTML end. This one is belong to H is a ending tag, and this is sub root is heading tag, head start, head end, and this, and the other one is the body tag. Anything which we will type in the head tag, which is meta and other thing, and the main thing is the title tag. Title tag is a website name, which I will show you when we have some practice on it in the browser. And this and anything which we will put here is not showing on the web browser, and when something we will want to show in the browser, we will put here in the body tag. So now we have take some practice. For that, here come to start and write Notepad, open it and start from here HTML, open tag and HTML, closing tag, then type here head tag, start, head tag, end. The other one is body tag, start and body tag, end. Okay. Now from here, file, save it. You will save any location. I will save it in the desktop. Write index.html. HTML extension is very important. Okay, now save it and you will show here a Chrome index file here. Now I will click on, you will say it there is nothing, but just only you will see here index.html. okay, now come to Notepad and I will type here title of the website, head tag, start, website name, title, close, Now from here save the file, come to browser. This is a browser and just look now here, refresh. Now you will see the name of the website. Okay, now come to body and I will write here anything and will use the p tag. P tag is the paragraph. This is my first website. Close it and save it. Come to browser, refresh. Now you will see it, the paragraph which we will type in the body tag is now showing here. So this is the first introduction of HTML. See you in the next lecture.